Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Thursday afternoon from the balcony overlooking the CME Group floor, New York Mercantile Exchange. And rather than my normal intro, are you guys ready for this? Meet the Mets, meet the Mets. What I tell you, step right up and greet the Mets. Bring your kiddies, bring your wife. Guaranteed to have the time of your life because the Mets are really sucking that ball. Knocking those home runs over the wall, including in the World Series. East side, west side, everybody's coming down to meet the METS Mets of New York Town. It's a special orange and blue happy hour here in the Big Apple. U.S. stocks seeing strong trade this Thursday afternoon here at the New York Mercantile Exchange CME Group floor as Wall Street takes in the European Central Bank's rate decision, economic data, and the new series of earnings reports. Draghi's comments sending European equities higher and U.S. equities as well. We first begin in Europe as the ECB kept interest rates unchanged. ECB President Mario Draghi stating that the bank's degree of accommodation will need to be re-examined at its upcoming December meeting. Meanwhile, there's a lot of action on the data front as weekly jobless claims figures coming in 259,000, below the expected 265,000. The September Chicago Fed National Activity Index coming in negative 0.37, slightly higher than the negative 0.39 August reading. The FHFA Housing Price Index rising 0.3% in August. September existing home sales figures rising 4.7% to 5.55 million. Leading indicators also falling 0.2%. And the Mets are going to the World Series. You team that with oil on the upside, Asia mixed, Europe rising. And one more time, who's going to the World Series? Advancers leading decliners 4-1 over at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this amazing trading session. On the corporate front, McDonald's posting earnings per share and revenue that beat expectations, sending the stock up about 7% and accounting for about 50 points of the Dow's gains, while 3M reporting mixed earnings and Caterpillar missing on both lines. And with that stated, kick back, relax. I finally have a weekend without baseball to go crazy over, but I'm still going crazy thinking about Tuesday. And what else can I say? I already said it 20 million times. I'm going to say it for another 4 more wins. Let's go Mets. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'll see you all in the morning. I'm James Sweeney.